What's good again? What's good again? What's good, guys? It's me again, back here with another unboxing. As you can tell by the title and by the box, it's a Louis Vuitton Supreme Danube PPM in black. So before you guys, hold on one sec. Yes, the box is damaged. A heads up, it does not come with the care cards. It's a little bit beaten up. That does not mean it's fake. I've had it legit checked by multiple people. So let's just get straight into it. Louis Vuitton. Straight away, it is the epi leather. Oh, you guys caught a glimpse of my ankle there. We stay moisturized, never ashy. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Soup R. Eam on the other side, and this is quite a weird angle to be shooting at because I'm about to break my wrist. So let me try to rectify that situation right now. Let's put that on the floor. Let's try to balance it on top of this box. Right, okay, here we go. So, 1 second, I'm just trying to figure this strap out. Okay. Supreme, black epi leather. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. They feel autumn. Hold on, let me take the camera away. Right, I don't really speak French, so I don't know what autumn hive means. 2017, got the suede interior. You've got the chrome zips with the Louis Vuitton branding. Hold on, how can I get this thing to Louis Vuitton? Louis Vuitton, you've got the chrome branding, you've got Supreme. There's not really much else to say about this bag besides the fact that it has, if it wants to zoom in, that it has, what do you want to call it? Patent leather, that's it. That's it. Everything else is, I'm sure you guys know that everything that was made in the Supreme Louis Vuitton collaboration was done by Louis Vuitton. So it's Louis Vuitton quality. It's everything you can expect from their leather bags. It's a plain leather piece. It says Supreme on it. Job done. Let me guys know what you let me know. I actually can't speak English today. It's probably because the weather in London is so shit at the moment. It's been a long week, guys. But yeah. Let me know what you think of the bag in the comment section below. Let me know what else you want to see from the channel. If it's the same repeated, it's too repetitive, it's too, I don't know. Let me hear you guys' criticisms, because you guys love calling things fake. I mean, most of you guys, to be fair, actually get quite a lot of positive comments considering how small my channel is. So keep that in perspective. I might get 3 comments and be like, yeah, those are a lot of positive ones. But like I say, I appreciate the likes, the views, all that stuff. So just, yeah, let me know. Give me some constructive criticism. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. And yeah, peace.